Friends, in this video we will see Udemy courses which are paid one but we get at free of cost. I will provide you coupon code. That coupon code and course link is available into our description. So the guys, let's start. So in this video we will see Udemy courses. The first course is Bitcoin for beginners, how to earn Bitcoin online for free. Learn why every smart people owns Bitcoin and how to use it properly. The rating of this course is 4.1 and already 30,000 students enrolled for this course. In this course we will learn 9 reasons why Bitcoin is better than government money. Learn more than 3 ways to earn interest on your Bitcoin. Learn to use the biggest Bitcoin platform in the universe. See more than 10 ways to get Bitcoin for 100% free. How to buy Bitcoin click by click. Get mobile apps that pay you Bitcoin. This course is completely free. Only 2 days left at this price, and this course includes 2.5 hours on demand video, one article, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At the end you get certificate of that course. Second course is building Android widgets from scratch. Learn 8 widgets. Building 8 fully functional widgets for Android devices right from scratch in just 2 hours. The rating of this course is 4.3 and already 72,000 students enrolled for this course. In this course you will learn how to build fully functional widgets on Android all on your own right from scratch. This course again free, only 2 days left at this price, and this course include 1.5 hours on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At the end we get certificate of the course. The coupon code of this course is free of 4. Free of 4. Coupon code and course link is available into description. Next course is React.js Complete Guide for Front-End Web Development 2021. Become an expert React.js developer. Learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, and jQuery. The rating of this course is 4.4 and already 1,56,000 students enrolled for this course. In this course, you will learn how to create basic web pages using HTML5. Learn the JavaScript language from basics to advanced along with Next.Gen JS6. Create user-friendly, beautiful, light and fast website using React.js. Learn to style and add animation to bring those basic web pages to life using CSS3. The rating of this course is again free. Only 2 days left at this price, and this course includes 22 hours on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At the end you get certificate of that course. The coupon code of this course is free of 4. The coupon code and course link is available into description. All the remaining courses and coupon codes is also available into description. Please enroll for all the courses as soon as possible because these courses may be expired in within 2 to 3 days. So please enroll for those courses as soon as possible. Thank you.